Today's Ignited Ink Writing quick tip is on scene composition. 3 components of your scene are character, dialogue, and setting. And these components need to be mixed together instead of stuck in their own individual blocks. One quick way to do this is to have your characters interact with their setting while they are having a conversation. For example, to emphasize a point, a character might say, "No, that's not the right way," and slam their fist on the desk. That is allowing them to interact with their setting. It's showing a bit about their character because it's showing how they are feeling, and it is participating in the dialogue. To learn more about these scene components, check out my latest YouTube video, How to Weave Dialogue, Character, and Setting. I'm Caitlin Burvey, editor and writer. Good luck igniting your ink.